Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of goddess Neang Neak, renowned as the Cambodian Goddess of Water, Fertility, and Serpents. Part 1. Significance of Goddess Neang Neak. What does Neang Neak represent in mythology? Neang Neak, the Cambodian goddess, is associated with ancient Khmer folklore and beliefs. She's often depicted as a mystical serpent deity, revered for her power and wisdom. As the goddess of water and guardian of the natural world, Neang Neak symbolizes the life-giving force of rivers and embodies the balance between chaos and harmony. She is believed to possess the ability to bring blessings, protection, and fertility to the land. Neang Neak's wisdom reminds us of the intricate interconnectedness of nature and the importance of honoring and preserving the delicate balance of the environment. Through her mythical presence, she inspires reverence for the natural world and serves as a guide for embracing our connection to the elements and the cycles of life. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Neang Neak. Serpentine Guardian, unveiling the archetypal mysteries of Goddess Neang Neak. Goddess Neang Neak embodies archetypal traits that resonate deeply with the Cambodian culture and mythology. As a serpent deity and guardian of water, she symbolizes the archetypal energy of transformation, rebirth, and protection. Neang Neak embodies the archetype of the divine feminine, representing the nurturing and life-giving aspects of the natural world. Her serpentine form also represents wisdom, intuition, and the power to shed the old and embrace the new. Neang Neak's presence evokes awe and respect, embodying the archetype of the powerful and enigmatic guide who protects and sustains the delicate balance of nature. Her archetypal traits inspire reverence for the cycles of life, the flow of water, and the transformative power that lies within us all. Part 3. Symbols associated with Goddess Neang Neak. The graceful symbolism of Neang Neak. In Cambodian mythology, Neang Neak is often depicted with a majestic serpent's body, symbolizing her power and connection to the natural world. Water lilies, with their delicate blooms floating atop serene ponds, represent the grace and tranquility of Neang Neak. As a guardian of water and the environment, she is closely associated with fish, particularly the Mekong catfish, signifying abundance and fertility. The colors green and blue are intricately linked to Neang Neak, representing the lushness of nature and the ever-changing shades of water, embodying her harmonious presence. Together, these symbols, plants, animals, and colors form a sacred tapestry that reflects Neang Neak's role as a guardian of the waters and a source of nourishment and prosperity in Cambodian mythology. Part 4. The story of Goddess Neang Neak. Embracing interconnectedness, Neang Neak's teachings of balance and harmony. Once at Hybridoban Foresti, Nikistams in the heart of Cambodia, there existed a mystical goddess named Neang Neak son Neang Neak. She was a guardian of the rivers and forests with a serpentine form that glimmered with enchanting scales of emerald and gold. Neang Neak possessed an ancient wisdom that flowed through the land, whispering secrets to those who listened. In a peaceful village nestled amidst the lush greenery, a young girl named Sophia found solace in the tranquility of the riverside. Sophia had always felt a deep connection with the natural world, her heart brimming with love for the creatures that dwelled in the waters and the trees. She yearned to understand the mysteries of life and sought the guidance of Neang Neak. One night, under the luminescent glow of the moon, Sophia ventured to a sacred grove deep within the forest. There, she discovered a hidden pool where the shimmering waters mirrored the starlit sky. As she approached, a gentle breeze rustled the leaves, as if welcoming her presence. In the hushed stillness, Sophia offered a heartfelt prayer to Neang Neak, her voice carried by the wind. She poured out her desire to embrace the interconnectedness of all living beings, to protect the delicate balance of nature, and to deepen her own wisdom and understanding. Suddenly, the pool began to stir, its waters rippling with a mesmerizing energy. From the depths emerged Neang Neak, her serpentine form glistening in the moonlight. with eyes as wise as ancient rivers. She looked upon Sophia with a gentle smile, her voice a soothing melody. Sophia, child of the land and water, your pure heart and yearning for knowledge have summoned me. I am Neang Neak, the guardian of the rivers, the embodiment of wisdom and compassion, she whispered. Neang Neak offered her guidance and shared tales of the interconnectedness of all living beings, of the delicate balance between human existence and nature's rhythms. She taught Sophia the importance of honoring the rivers as lifelines and the forests as sanctuaries for countless creatures. Over time, Sophia grew to embody the spirit of Neang Neak. With each passing day, she became a protector of the rivers and an advocate for the land. She tirelessly worked to raise awareness about the importance of sustainability and the preservation of the natural world. Through her actions, she inspired others to see the beauty in every creature and to live in harmony with the earth. Word of Sophia's devotion and the guidance she received from Neang Neak spread throughout the land. People from far and wide sought her wisdom, and she became known as a beloved figure who brought healing and harmony wherever she went. To this day, the spirit of Neang Neak lives on in the hearts of those who cherish the rivers and forests of Cambodia. Her wisdom continues to guide those who seek balance, connection, and a deeper understanding of the intricate tapestry of life. And so, the tale of Neang Neak and Sophia serves as a reminder that within each of us lies the potential to nurture and protect the natural world. As we honor the rivers and forests, we honor the wisdom and compassion that flows through us all, awakening a deeper sense of interconnectedness and reverence for the world we call home. Part 5, 3 Strategies for Personal Transformation, tapping into the power of the Neang Neak archetype. Strategy 1, embrace the power of adaptability. Embrace change with an open heart, recognizing that life's currents may shift unexpectedly. Like the serpent shedding its skin, be willing to let go of old patterns, beliefs, and attachments that no longer serve you. Embracing adaptability allows you to navigate life's challenges with resilience and grace, emerging stronger and wiser from each experience. Strategy 2, connect with the elemental energy of water. Spend time near bodies of water, whether it be rivers, lakes, or oceans, and immerse yourself in its flow. Reflect on the symbolism of water, the source of life and purification, and allow its energy to cleanse and rejuvenate your spirit. Strategy 3, engage in rituals of self-care and self-compassion. Create rituals that nourish your mind, body, and soul, such as practicing mindfulness, engaging in physical exercise, taking soothing baths, or journaling. Neuroscience studies highlight the positive impact of self-compassion on mental and emotional well-being. Treat yourself with kindness, understanding, and self-acceptance, offering yourself the same care and compassion you would extend to others. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. 1. Find a serene and secluded space to conduct the ritual. Begin by purifying the area with the incense or sage, allowing the smoke to cleanse the energy and create a sacred ambiance. 2. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to center and connect with the energy of Neang Neak. Visualize the serpentine wisdom coiling within and around you, awakening your intuition and deepening your connection with the natural world. In this state of connection, reflect upon the ways in which you can honor and protect the rivers and forests, as well as embody the wisdom and compassion of Neang Neak in your daily life. 3. Open your eyes and offer a prayer to Neang Neak, expressing your intentions to honor and connect with her energy. Share your gratitude for the rivers and forests, and ask for her guidance and blessings to foster wisdom, compassion, and a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all living beings. You may also offer a small gift, such as a flower or a symbol of nature, as a token of your reverence and appreciation. 4. Take a few moments of silence, sitting in the presence of Neang Neak. Allow her energy to envelop you, and listen for any messages or insights that may arise during this stillness. Feel the serpentine wisdom intertwining with your own being, igniting a deeper sense of connection and reverence. 5. Before concluding the ritual, express your gratitude to Neang Neak for her presence, guidance, and blessings. Offer thanks for the insights and wisdom received during the ritual. Extinguish the candle or oil lamp symbolizing the completion of the ritual. A final message, words of wisdom from Neang Neak. Water is the source of life, its gentle flow washing away the old and nourishing the new. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.